So the next stock that we're going to break down for this morning is Naked Brand, or ticker symbol NAKD. I have my lines and graphs already set, so we're going to be starting from a higher time frame, that being the daily interval, and this will allow us to find the overall direction and trend that our stock is in. It also helps us find our support and resistance lines, our entries, and our exits, okay? So let's go ahead and dive in. So we're kind of fluctuating between 2 and 3% down, and let's have a quick look at our volume. So we are at 11.63 million, you guys. So we are above that 150,000 threshold. So that is a good sign. So now let's get into our support and resistance lines, and then I'll get into more on depth on where we're at, okay? So you can see over here, we tested our resistance, and once used to work as resistance will work as support on the opposite side. So you can see that once we broke above that, we came up and came back down and bounced off this lower level of support. Once we broke back underneath, we kept on testing this resistance about 2 times here. We failed, pulled back up, tried to create a breakout, and failed again into our lower level of tested area for support. And if we look left, like Beyonce says, we can see that we test the resistance back here, and then we started using it as a resistance back over here. We bounced and then bounced over here, okay? So these are very heavily tested areas, you guys, and we have to respect these lines. So now let's get into where we're at currently. So you guys can see clearly that we are in this downward trend. We're creating these higher lows, and on the trend line itself, we are below that. On the RSI, it does look like we are a little bit oversold, but not quite. And currently, if we look where we're at, where our support line is at, we are currently underneath this. Yes, we are kind of just peaking above it, but overall, you guys, we are kind of underneath this resistance. So as of right now, I wouldn't consider this the best buy. We want to see a clear direction or a clear reversal. So what we're actually going to look for is for this to come back up and break through this resistance and come back down and retest it as a support. And what this will do is it'll create a higher low, and it'll also show that buyers are stepping up. And at that point, then we can start looking for a entry, okay? But as of right now, with being underneath this resistance line, you guys, as you can see back here, we have tested this multiple times, and we have to take that into fact. All right, so if we do break back above the 57-cent area, and we come up and come back down and retest our support, obviously I'll do an updated video and I'll let you guys know when we can start looking for an entry. But as of right now, like you guys, well, what I'm trying to say is just be patient and let's wait for the best opportunity, okay? So if this helped in any type of way, please hit that like and subscribe button. It allows me to create this content for you guys Monday through Friday or every other day. But other than that, I hope you guys have a beautiful day and happy trading.